And we're getting some more breaking news as far as developments in the Sushant Singh Rajput investigation is concerned, especially by the Enforcement Directorate. Siddharth Pitani is now expected to join the probe on Monday. He was summoned by the ED to be present on August 8th. However, Pitani did not join the probe yesterday. Now we are getting to know that he will be questioned tomorrow. Remember, Pitani is important in the probe because he was the flatmate of Sushant Singh Rajput and also a business associate, and he was there at the time when Sushant's body was found. But on Republic TV, we have exposed that some of his versions don't match with what others have said. Let's also go across to my colleague Shravan Sen joining us for more. So Shravan, another person of interest, Siddharth Pitani, to join the probe tomorrow by the ED.
Well, in fact, he was actually summoned for Saturday and he did not turn up before the enforcement directed. Yes. Now, what we are being told by our sources within the agency is that in all likelihood, Siddharth Pitani, flatmate of the late actor, would be joining the agency, would be joining the probe perhaps sometime on Monday. This is on the day when Riya Chakrabarti has also been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. So somewhere down the line, Shivani, just to put this into perspective, what the Enforcement Directorate is currently looking at is the way perhaps late actors' bank accounts were being controlled by her friends as well as Riya Chakrabarti, and that is the reason why they're looking into whether at all Siddharth Pitani was aware of what was actually happening and whether at all there have been any transactions between the late actor and that of Siddharth Pitani.
Right. So, of course, the Enforcement Directorate is mounting an investigation into the financial angle of this. A PMLA case has been registered, and the persons who have become important as far as this probe is concerned are, of course, Riya Chakrabarti, brother, family, who've also been named in an FIR by the family, now converted into a CBI FIR. But Siddharth Pitani is also important is because he seemed to be in touch with Riya even after she had left the residence where they were living, Sushant's residence per se. And there are inconsistencies so far, Shravan, that have come to light in the sequence of events that all of these parties who were there at the time have described, and also the relationship that they enjoy.
Well, as far as Siddharth Pitani is concerned, remember the kind of testimony that has been put forth by Pitani has been questioned by many because there have been several inconsistencies. Now, as far as the Enforcement Directorate's probe is concerned, they are more interested in whether at all Siddharth Pitani was aware of the kind of transactions that were actually taking place, and more importantly, whether at all there have been some transactions between the actor and himself, or for that matter, Riya Chakrabarti. Given the fact that what the Enforcement Directorate has done so far is examining the bank accounts of Riya Chakrabarti as well as her family members. In that, there is a clear transaction that has basically appeared. Not just that, they are also questioning the kind of disproportionate assets that Riya Chakrabarti has. Having said that, right now at this stage, perhaps, Shivani, they're completely tight-lipped whether at all there is any benefits that Siddharth Pitani actually got from any one of them, or for that matter, they accused in this particular case. But having said that, this is going to be, sort of a case which is basically progressing with over a period of time, and perhaps more details would come in only at a later stage.
Absolutely. Siddharth Pitani certainly is an important person to be interrogated in this entire investigation. He was spoken to by the Mumbai police also, but since had left Mumbai. And that is why questions were raised as to why inconsistencies in the criminal investigation, if any, that the Mumbai police is launching, is not really focusing on the individuals who were present, who are not perhaps revealing all the sequence of events in the right manner. This investigation, though, is more pertaining to the financial angle. Shravan, thanks a lot for joining us.